Hello, guys. How are you all? I'm pretty sure all of you are so awesome. And thanks a lot for the huge support, for the comments, for inspiring me, for sending such a motivation messages. And that's why I love teaching. It's always two-way process. मतलब जो मैंने तुम लोगों को पहले इंस्पायर किया, मोटिवेट किया, now same I'm getting from you. यार मुझे इस टाइम बहुत ज़रूरत भी है उस चीज़ की. And thanks a lot for that. तो बच्चा देखो यहाँ पर सिर्फ मेरा एक ही मोटो है टू स्टार्ट दिस चैनल फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. मुझे नहीं पता इफ समबडी वुड सी इट नॉट सी इट, बट आई वुड डू वन थिंग एंड आई कैन पे this much like you have given me this much love, you have given me support, you have given me, I can pay you only one way, by making any topic so easy for you, so that the concept would be so much cakewalk for you and you can solve all the question of the need from that topic. That is my promise to you if you are listening to me carefully. So बच्चा ये मेरी प्रैक्टिस रहेगी कि टू मेक ऑल द टॉपिक्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू, राइट. सो टुडे द सेम वे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एबीओ एंड आरएच ब्लड ग्रुपिंग, बिकॉज बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को यहाँ पर बहुत सारी कंफ्यूजन होती है कि कब इसमें कौन सा ब्लड ग्रुप होता है. एंड टुडे आफ्टर दिस टॉपिक जितनी नीट में क्वेश्चन आए ना, उसके बाद चाहे कैसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर you would be able to resolve it, right? So bacha, thanks a lot again for the huge support that I'm getting from you, right? तो चलिए start करते हैं. So bacha, see, blood grouping, right? So we know if we are talking about the blood grouping, A, B, O and RH blood grouping is widely used. सबसे ज़्यादा यूज किए जाने वाले blood grouping है, right? अब ये blood grouping किसकी वजह से आता है? Like somebody have A blood group, somebody have B blood group, है ना? तुम्हारे किसी दोस्त का O blood group होगा. So why they are having certain blood group? बच्चा, because they are having the particular antigen on the surface of RBC. Yes. So antigen क्या होता है? It is present on surface of RBCs, present on surface of RBCs. And what is the purpose of the antigen? So obviously bacha, it basically trigger or stimulate our immune response or antibody formation, right? So what is the purpose of it? It stimulate what? Stimulate formation, or basically stimulate our immune response, formation of antibody, or you can say formation of antibody, or stimulate basically this immune response, right? Or stimulate immune response. That is basically the purpose of the antigen. Next, if we talk about antibody, because I have told you that it stimulates formation of antibody. Now, what is the antibody? तो अगर यहाँ पर this basic is clear to you, you would be able to solve all the question, because the same statement they have asked in NEET, right? So antibody, if we talk about antibody, it is present in blood plasma. कहाँ present होता है बच्चा? In blood plasma. So we know what is the blood plasma, right? So it is present in blood plasma. Plasma is fluid, है ना? Blood plasma. And when antibodies are formed, so obviously it fight against foreign antigen, right? Or foreign substance. So what is the purpose of it? It fight against, जिनको वो नहीं पहचानते, fight against foreign substance. Against foreign substance. That is the purpose, right? So foreign substance means obviously antigen. Foreign substance or antigen. So if I show you it diagrammatically, so you can just see it like this. ये पूरा blood vessel है जिसमें RBCs है. And RBCs के surface पर क्या है बच्चा? Specific antigen, right? And obviously यहाँ पर plasma है. Plasma में antibodies are there, right? तो obviously ये पूरा blood है. And blood के plasma में antibodies are there. I'm writing it AB. And this is the antigen on the surface of RBCs. तो ये चीज आपको क्लियर होनी चाहिए. And I'm pretty sure क्लियर भी हो गई, right? अब यहाँ पर ब्लड ग्रुपिंग जो है वो कैसे करी जाएगी? तो on the basis of the antigen present on the RBCs, it would determine the blood grouping in a person, right? So you can say depending on the nature of antigen, right? So you can say depending on nature of antigen. Nature of antigen. Where? On RBC surface. So bacha, yes, it would be responsible for the blood grouping, right? Present on RBC surface, various blood grouping has been done. So itni baat to clear hai, it is so clear to us that on the basis of the nature of the, or depending on the nature of antigen, our blood group can be detected, right? Various blood grouping has been done. Right? And obviously, most widely used blood grouping are ABO blood group and RH blood grouping, right? So we would just discuss most widely used blood group. Most widely used blood grouping is ABO type blood grouping and RH type blood grouping. So we would see both the condition one by one. तैयार हो सारे बच्चे? So let's start with the ABO blood grouping first. That how the ABO blood grouping is done. So let's start with the ABO grouping, right? ABO blood grouping. So in this, obviously, some people have the A blood group, some having the B blood group, some having the O blood group. तो अलग अलग blood group हैं उनके पास, right? So ABO blood grouping. Right? And in this blood grouping, we know some of them have the A blood group, some have B, some have O, some have ABO blood group, AB blood group, right? And obviously this was recognized by Carl Landsteiner. So बच्चा यहाँ पर ये साइंटिस्ट के नाम पूछे जाते हैं तो ये आपको याद रखना है. Carl Landsteiner is the name of the scientist who have discovered, recognized this ABO blood grouping, right? So according to the Carl Landsteiner, इनके अकॉर्डिंग क्या था कि अगर जैसे ये आरबीसीज है, इसके सरफेस पर सपोज ए एंटीजन इज प्रेजेंट. कौन सा एंटीजन? ए एंटीजन इज प्रेजेंट. देन ऑब्वियसली दिस पर्सन ब्लड प्लाज्मा डोंट हैव द एंटीबॉडी अगेंस्ट ए. तो मतलब उसके अगेंस्ट कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंटीबॉडी नहीं बनेगी. मतलब ए के अगेंस्ट नो एंटीबॉडी वुड बी प्रेजेंट इन द प्लाज्मा, राइट? So if RBCs have A antigen, according to Carl Landsteiner, if RBCs have A antigen or suppose any antigen, so its corresponding antibody would be absent. तो मतलब A antibody कभी इसके blood में नहीं बनेगी, right? So its corresponding antibody would be absent. So suppose this person having B blood group और बी एंटीजन, तो बच्चा उस इंसान की एंटीबॉडी कौन सी किसके लिए नहीं बनेगी? उसके ब्लड में बी के लिए कोई एंटीबॉडी नहीं बनेगी. सो मीन्स जो एंटीजन है उसका कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंटीबॉडी कभी नहीं बनेगा, राइट? तो किसके लिए बनेगा? सपोज जो एंटीजन एब्सेंट है, सपोज दिस इज नॉट हैविंग बी, तो इसमें बी एंटीजन एब्सेंट है, राइट? तो कौन सा एंटीजन एब्सेंट है बच्चा? एंटीजन बी इज एब्सेंट. So obviously its plasma or its blood having the or form the corresponding antibodies of the antigen that is present here. तो B जैसे absent है तो obviously जो antigen absent है हमारे RBCs के surface पर उसी की corresponding antibody बनेगी. So obviously its corresponding antibody is present or is formed here, right? तो जो antibody antigen नहीं है उसके लिए antibody बनेगी, लेकिन जो एंटीजन है उसके लिए एंटीबॉडी नहीं बनेगी, राइट? तो जैसे यहां पर किसी का ब्लड ग्रुप ए है, सपोज समबडी हैविंग द ब्लड ग्रुप ए, ये ए एंटीजन उसके आरबीसीज के सरफेस पर है एंड उसके ब्लड प्लाज्मा में विच एंटीबॉडीज वुड बी प्रेजेंट देयर? सो ऑब्वियसली एंटी बी, क्योंकि एंटी ए कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंटीबॉडी तो प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा. कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंटीबॉडी मीन्स ए एंटीबॉडी वोंट बी प्रेजेंट इन द ब्लड प्लाज्मा of that person. So obviously this person, because this person having antigen A, so obviously it would form antibody against B because it does not recognize B. तो ये कहेगा I would just make antibody against the B1. So suppose a person having B blood group enter in my, or suppose the person having B blood group have basically infused their blood in our blood obviously. So it won't accept, it would form antibody against it. right? So it would fight against the antibody B, right? Antigen B. So they are forming antibody B against B. सपोज अ पर्सन हैविंग बी ब्लड ग्रुप, तो बच्चा उसके पास बी ब्लड ग्रुप है, तो ऑब्वियसली एंटीजन बी इज प्रेजेंट इन द सरफेस ऑफ द आरबीसीज, तो उस वो किसके अगेंस्ट एंटीबॉडी बनाएगा? बी को तो वो पहचानेगा, तो बी के लिए तो वो एंटीबॉडी नहीं बनाता है उसका ब्लड, बट इट वुड फॉर्म एंटीबॉडी अगेंस्ट ए, राइट? And suppose a person having AB blood group means that person having both antigen A as well as B antigen, right? So that person having both the antigen, so it recognize A also, it recognize B also. So it would be like, okay, you are also my friend, you are also my friend. So anybody can give me blood, right? So A also can give me blood, B also can give me blood. So in that ways, it recognize all antigen. So this person blood won't form any antibody, right? And somebody having O blood group, तो बच्चा O blood group है तो obviously क्या होगा? O means zero antigen. Neither A nor B, ना तो A antigen है ना B antigen है, तो obviously इसकी body ना तो A को पहचानेगी ना B को पहचानेगी. So it won't recognize A as well as B. ये दोनों को नहीं पहचानेगी इसकी body, and obviously it would form antibody against everyone. So you would be like, तुझे भी नहीं जानता, I'll kill everyone, right? So those person, so who can donate blood to these type of blood group? So blood group A means A antigen on the RBC surface. B blood group means B antigen on the RBC surface. And AB antigen means AB blood group means AB antigen both on the surface. O means zero, no antigen on the surface. So it would be forming antibody against all the antigen. So means no one can donate blood to this person except O, because it recognize only O, it does not recognize anyone, right? तो कौन से डोनर होंगे? So let's discuss donor for them. You tell me कौन donate कर सकता है? So for the person having A blood group, A can donate blood. And obviously O can donate blood to this person. Why? Because O don't have any antigen. And when there is no antigen, so bacha, when there is no antigen means obviously if this person give blood to anyone, it won't form any antibody in that person, right? तो यहाँ पर अगर O को दे दिया तो O के पास कोई एंटीजन नहीं है, तो इसके अगेंस्ट कोई एंटीबॉडी भी नहीं बनेगी, क्योंकि एंटीबॉडी तभी बनती है when there is antigen. When there is no antigen, no antibody. जब दुश्मन होगा तभी तो हम फौज तैयार करेंगे, right? So when there is no antigen means no harm, means no antibody would be produced here. इसके लिए कौन डोनेट कर सकता है ब्लड? तो बच्चा राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. सो एब्सोल्युटली बी ब्लड ग्रुप and O blood group people can donate blood to this person. Who can donate blood AB blood group to the person having AB blood group? तो इसको कौन कौन दे सकता है? ये A को भी पहचानता है because इसके पास A antigen भी है. It recognize B also because it has B antigen. It recognize AB also, right? So all the person can give blood to this person. So you can say this person is a universal acceptor, right? This person is universal acceptor or recipient. So that means anybody can give blood to this person. Universally recipient acceptor hai. If we talk about blood group O, it does not have any antigen. It form antibody against all. तो इसको कोई भी ब्लड देगा, obviously it would fight against it. It would be like, I don't recognize you, I don't recognize B, I don't recognize A, I can recognize only O. So who is the donor for them? So O would be donor for these people. So nobody can donate blood to this, but it can donate blood to all. So that's why it would be universal donor. It would be universal donor. So this is something which you have to remember, right? And now you would say, ma'am, then O, what about O negative? What is that then? That is the ideal universal donor that we would discuss in the RH factor, right? So I'm pretty sure it must be clear to you that if blood group A is there, that means A antigen. And if A antigen is there, so corresponding antibody would be absent in plasma, right? And obviously antibody would be present for that antibody which is absent on the surface of the RBCs from that person, right? तो बच्चा ये आपको याद रखना है. नाउ दिस इज तो ए बी ब्लड ग्रुप का, ए बी ब्लड ग्रुप का सारा सीन हमने देखा कि अगर ए एंटीजन है तो ऑब्वियसली ए ब्लड ग्रुप वुड बी देयर. इफ बी एंटीजन इज देयर, बी ब्लड ग्रुप. If A and B antigen there, AB blood group, and if no antigen means O blood group. We have got everything about this, right? Now we would see RH factor. So bacha, RH factor basically given by Karl Landsteiner. Karl Landsteiner and Wiener, right? So Wiener, these are two scientists who have identified RH factor रिहसस मंकी में, राइट? तो रिहसस मंकी, दैट ब्राउन मंकी है ना, वो जो बंदर होते हैं. सो ऑब्वियसली आर एच स्टैंड फॉर, सो यू कैन से आर एच स्टैंड्स फॉर रिहसस मंकी. रिहसस मंकी मीन्स सेम फैक्टर was present in the on the surface of RBCs of monkey, right? तो रिहसस मंकी में भी ये फैक्टर था और कुछ इंसानों में भी ये बांदरों वाले फैक्टर होते, राइट? रिहसस फैक्टर दैट वी कॉल्ड. And obviously antigen is present here, right? So obviously they are having the RH antigen on the RBCs. So those people having RH antigen on the RBC surface means that person having negative blood group, RH positive. And those people who are not having RH group, तो मतलब उन लोगों के अंदर RH, so those who are not having RH antigen means they are RH negative. As simple as that. तो RH पॉजिटिव अगर आरबीसीज के सरफेस पर है और आरबीसीज के सरफेस पर ही एंटीजन होता है, राइट? तो अगर RH एंटीजन इज प्रेजेंट, दैट पर्सन वुड बी RH पॉजिटिव. If no RH negative, so no RH factor means no RH antigen on the surface of RBCs means RH negative. So you can say one thing, that suppose RBCs, this is RBCs, RBCs के सरफेस पर A एंटीजन भी है and there is RH antigen also, then this person having A positive blood group. And suppose a person having RBCs having A blood group but no RH antigen, no RH antigen means this person having A negative blood group. Same way B के लिए, B with RH antigen would be there means B positive. And if B antigen is there on the RBC surface and no RH factor means B negative. Are you getting it? Same way भाई, A antigen, B antigen, RH antigen, ये सबको पहचानते हैं तो AB positive. And when RBCs have only AB and no RH means AB negative, right? If suppose RBCs have RH factor, rest no antigen, means this would be having O negative, O positive. And if person don't have even a single antigen means O negative. So means ये O blood group क्या है? No antigen at all, ना तो A, ना B, ना RH, कोई भी antigen नहीं है. So let's discuss कैसे होगा ये, right? तो बच्चा सी, दिस इज तो कौन डोनेट कर सकता है, कौन रिसीव कर सकता है, नॉर्मल वाला जो मैंने बताया था वो है. एंड दिस इज द टेबल. सो सपोज अ पर्सन हैविंग ए पॉजिटिव ब्लड ग्रुप, राइट? तो यहाँ पर इफ वी सी द डायग्राम, तो बच्चा सी, लेट मी टेक अ फ्रेश पेज हियर, राइट? तो यहाँ पर जो है अगर हम देखेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली RH positive person cannot give blood to the RH negative. Why? So RH positive person cannot donate. किसको donate नहीं कर सकता blood? Cannot donate to RH negative. Why? Because RH negative के पास कोई एंटीजन नहीं है, लेकिन इसके पास एंटीजन है. तो अगर ये इसको देंगे तो वो कहेगा RH, who are you? I don't recognize you. So let me form antibody against you. So it would form antibody against RH. So it cannot donate blood to RH negative, but RH negative can give blood to RH positive easily, can donate blood. So this concept you have to remember, right? Can donate blood, right, to RH positive. So that means you can say that कि जो यहाँ पर अगर हम देखेंगे, suppose a person having A plus blood group, so obviously you can say who can receive, मतलब this person can give blood to A positive person plus AB positive person, क्योंकि AB वालों को तो सब ब्लड चलता है ना. और इसको कौन ब्लड दे सकता है, हु इज द डोनर फॉर दिस पर्सन, डोनर मीन्स कौन ब्लड दे सकता है इसको, तो ऑब्वियसली पर्सन हैविंग द ए पॉजिटिव दे सकता है इसको, बिकॉज ये ए को भी पहचानता है, आर एच को भी पहचानता है, राइट। इसको ए नेगेटिव दे सकता है क्योंकि ए उसके पास एंटीजन है, उसको पहचानता है। ओ पॉजिटिव क्योंकि आर एच को ये पहचानता है, एंड ओ नेगेटिव मतलब नो एंटीजन मीन्स इट कैन गिव ब्लड टू एनी वन। हु कैन गिव ब्लड टू द ओ पॉजिटिव पर्सन, तो ओ पॉजिटिव मतलब इट इज हैविंग आर एच एंटीजन, सो इसको ओ पॉजिटिव वाला भी दे सकता है, एंड ओ नेगेटिव मीन्स विच इज हैविंग नो एंटीजन। बी पॉजिटिव को कौन कौन ब्लड दे सकता है, हु इज द डोनर फॉर दिस पर्सन, तो ऑब्वियसली बी पॉजिटिव वाला कैन गिव दिस पर्सन ब्लड. B negative also, because B positive means this RBCs have both the antigen, right? So this is having B plus RH. So obviously B positive, B negative can also give blood to this person, O positive plus O negative. So plus वालों को तो देखो positive वाले दे ही सकते हैं, plus obviously, and who can give blood to the AB positive? They recognize A, they recognize B, as well as having RH antigen. ये सबको पहचानते हैं, तो everyone can give blood to them, right? But they can give blood only to AB plus. So AB positive are actually ideal universal donor, सॉरी यूनिवर्सल रेसिपिएंट. इनको सबका ब्लड लेना है पर देते किसी को नहीं है, राइट? सो आइडियल यूनिवर्सल रेसिपिएंट इनको बोला जाता है, ए बी पॉजिटिव. एंड सेम वे ओ नेगेटिव में देखो बच्चा, दे कैन गिव ब्लड टू एवरीवन. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव इवन अ सिंगल एंटीजन. नो एंटीजन इज देयर. When there is no enemy on the surface of RBCs means they can donate blood to everyone. So they can donate blood to everyone. So they are ideal universal donor, right? So bacha, this is the concept they ask in the exam, and don't be confused with it now. Same way, B negative को कौन कौन blood दे सकता है? तो B negative means they just recognize B and no RH, right? So they can take blood from B negative and only O negative, because O negative don't have any RH, don't have any antigen. B negative have B antigen, obviously, right? So bacha, the same way AB negative ko obviously negative people can give blood, but not the positive, because they don't recognize RH. So same way, this is something which you have to remember. And I'm pretty sure that this concept is clear to everyone. In case you find any issues, you can send me doubt to the to this Instagram link that I have given, and which are that I have given in the description box. And don't forget to like the hit the like button, and subscribe the channel also. See you all in the next class, and I'm pretty sure this particular topic is pretty much clear to everyone, right? तो अब यहाँ पर you should know what is the universal donor and what is the ideal universal donor. What is the universal recipient and what is the ideal universal recipient, right? If somebody having A antigen means that person having A blood group. If someone having RH antigen means A positive blood group, right? And A positive wala recognize both of them. So obviously they can the person who are having A blood group can give blood to this person. Person having A plus RH can give, means A positive person can give blood to this person. A negative can give blood to this person. Even this O positive person can give the blood group to this person. O negative means no RH factor means negative. So O negative can give blood to this person. तो मतलब क्या है? That it recognize A and RH. So those people having A या RH factor with them, it recognize both the things, so it can accept blood from these people, right? So bacha, I have given you whole table in order to make you understand everything. So यहाँ पर ये था किसको donate कर सकते हैं ये, and यहाँ पर किसका blood ले सकते हैं, तो that you have to remember. So what blood they can receive, what people, I mean to which people they can donate the blood, right? So thanks a lot, have a great day. I'm pretty sure that everything is clear to everyone. In case you have any doubt, you can just reach me out, and don't forget to write down in the comment box what else you want next, right? And which I'll see you all in the next class with a great session. Bye bye, have a great day, and thanks a lot for your huge support, and it's really means a lot to me, right? So bye bye, have a great day, see you all in the next class.